Hello students. Today also I present in front of you students, and today we are going to discuss class 9 politics, and it is the electoral politics lesson 3rd, and it is the 4th part of this video, and students it is the last part also of this video. And students, under this video we will discuss some points. First, we will try to understand what is Independent Election Commission, and second, work of CEC. CEC, that means Chief Election Commission. Third, popular participation, and fourth point which we are going to understand today, that is a challenge to free and fair election. So students, first we try to understand what it means of Independent Election Commission. That means in here, what it means of how can we say our election commission is independent. So students, actually a president appoint the election commissioner, CEC. He has been appointed, especially it is the under system of our constitution. Our chief election commissioner sure should be appointed by the president. And students, if election commissioner has been appointed by the president and election is in process, then he is not answerable to the president or any government. It is the main point. So we can say, what is the main power? How you can say he is free under the government or not independent? You can understand by these things. President or other authority in simple way cannot remove to the CEC, to the election commissioner. So we can say he is a independent. Election commissioner is the independent. Election commission can use their authority while election. So students, second point, work of CEC. What is the work of CEC? That means what he will do in while election. CEC, he is a full power. He is a main authority while election. He sure will issue the code of conduct in election. He give the guideline to the government in while election. He will control every place's condition in better than of government, because after issue the code of conduct, main authority sure has been transferred under the election commission from the government. So students, he has power which can give the punishment to any candidate who is not a working process under the direction of, under the guideline of election commission, or any party if not working under the guideline of any election commission. So election commission can give direction and punishment and suspension also that authority at that candidate. It is the power, it is the work of election commission. And third, how we analyze about that, students? Popular participation. Popular participation, that means it's analyzing independent election commission. If people are participating, people are trying to continue joining the election, they feel every process is going to looking as a better. So we can say independent election system is running on. People are not going to against to the government or to the election commission. Anybody not saying against of the election system. So we can say independent election or work of election is good. This is the matter of popular participation. It is the view of people and other word, all citizens of related place, related constituency. Last, very important point, students, it is the challenge to free of fair election. It is the very best and very large challenge to the election commission, how they control, how they manage free of fair election. Many candidates try to use their money and force in the election, and they control, they capture pupils, they capture booth, they capture by the force or money to the pupils' vote. How election commission control? It is the very big challenge, but election commission continue try to do best on this matter, because be watching continue a process of constitution which has been decided that are running on. Election is going to have as an alternative term, and candidate representative are deciding by the people under democratic system in guideline of the election commission. So these are points. By that we can understand the free and fair election is continue, but students in here we should be understand some type of corruption, some type of forgery, some type of capturing also may present in many places. In India, many states, general or simple or different types of election. We can feel many persons who has been in the position, they continue winning the election. Many pupils has been against office, maximum party has been against office, pupils also has been against office, but they sure winning the election. After next, continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 many times. So in here we can say in some places like that result where is coming, free or fair election may be something after. It's not very easily we can say free or fair election is running on, but it is the system of democracy, it is the system of constitution which has been given power to the election commission to control and manage free or fair election, which is going to have a continue after independent also students. You can say, so election commission is the managing, controlling all elections. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, State Legislative Assembly, Municipal Corporation election, Jila Panchayat election, Gram Panchayat election, different type of election. So by controlling under the election, continue is running on. So we can say it is the best and better system of our India, because any simple authority cannot remove election commissioner, and election commissioner is not answerable to any authority. It is the main base better cause of independent election. So students, these are points which today we discuss: independent election commission, work of CEC, popular participation, challenge to free and fair election. So students, it is the last video of this lesson. In other lesson students, other topic, other lesson we will discuss in other video students. So thank you very much students. Thank you again.